Have you ever wondered what makes Thai street food so unique? It's a vibrant medley of flavors that has captivated both locals and tourists alike. From the sizzling woks serving up savory meals to the sweet treats that tantalize your taste buds, the diversity is simply astounding. The bustling atmosphere of Thailand's street food markets, echoing with chatter, laughter, and the clinking of utensils, adds to the charm. Join us as we delve into the history and cultural significance of Thai street food, one delicious dish at a time. Thai street food is more than just a casual snack. It's a culinary tradition steeped in history. To truly appreciate the depth of Thai street food, we need to journey back in time. Centuries ago, as trade routes expanded across Asia, Thailand became a bustling hub of cultural exchange. This melting pot of influences is reflected in the diverse flavors of Thai cuisine. The Chinese immigrants, for instance, brought with them the art of stir-frying and noodle-making. Dishes like pad thai, a stir-fried noodle delight, are a testament to this fusion. On the other hand, the spice-laden dishes are a nod to India and the Middle East, while the aromatic herbs owe their roots to the neighboring countries of Laos and Cambodia. Now let's talk ingredients. Thai cuisine is a symphony of flavors, a harmonious blend of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. The sweetness comes from palm sugar, sour from tamarind and lime, salty from fish sauce, and spicy from the fiery Thai chilies. And the cooking techniques? They're as diverse as the dishes themselves. From grilling to deep frying, steaming to stir-frying, each method imparts a unique flavor profile to the food. Thai street food isn't just about quick bites, it's about preserving culinary traditions, sharing stories, and connecting communities. Every dish is a chapter in Thailand's rich history book, waiting to be explored, one bite at a time. Just like Thailand's history, its street food is a rich tapestry of flavors and influences. Beyond taste and history, Thai street food holds a special place in the country's cultural fabric. It's more than just a quick meal on the go, it's a way of life. Picture a vibrant, bustling market. Now imagine the sizzling sound of woks and the aroma of fresh herbs. This is where the heart of Thailand beats. Thai street food plays a pivotal role in social gatherings and festivals. It's not uncommon to see families huddled around a food cart, sharing a meal and exchanging stories. These meals are not just about feeding the stomach but also feeding the soul. They connect people, fostering a sense of community and camaraderie that's deeply ingrained in Thai culture. Let's not forget the street vendors, the unsung heroes who bring these culinary delights to life. From dawn till dusk, their hands are busy chopping, stirring, and grilling. Each vendor has a story to tell, a family recipe passed down through generations, a secret ingredient that makes their dish stand out. Their passion and dedication are palpable, adding a special flavor to each bite. And then, there's the everyday life. Thai street food is deeply intertwined with the daily rhythm of the people. It's a quick breakfast before work, a hearty lunch in between tasks, or a comforting dinner to end the day. It's a constant, a familiar taste that brings a sense of home, no matter where you are. Thai street food is a testament to Thailand's vibrant culture and community spirit. What truly sets Thai street food apart are the unique and explosive flavors. Each bite is a harmonious blend of sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and spicy, a testament to the country's tropical climate and abundant natural resources. Consider the pad thai, a global sensation. Its tamarind-based sauce lends it a tangy sweetness, balanced with the savory notes of fish sauce and a hint of heat from dried chili flakes. Or take the tom yum soup, a spicy and sour concoction filled with plump shrimp, lemongrass, and kaffir lime leaves. It's a refreshing, citrusy delight that tingles the palate. Then there's the som tum, a green papaya salad that epitomizes Thai cuisine's balance of flavors. The crunch of unripe papaya, the tang of lime, the heat of chili, the sweetness of palm sugar, and the saltiness of fish sauce. It's a sensory explosion in every mouthful. From sweet to spicy, sour to savory, Thai street food is a symphony of flavors waiting to be explored. Our journey through Thai street food is a testament to the country's culinary genius. We've traced the historical roots of these mouth-watering dishes, delved into their cultural significance, and savored the unique flavors that set them apart. From bustling markets to humble street carts, Thailand's culinary landscape is a symphony of tastes and aromas. Next time you're in Thailand, make sure to take your taste buds on a journey through the country's vibrant street food scene. It's a culinary adventure you won't want to miss. Did you enjoy our culinary journey through the vibrant streets of Thailand? If so, there's plenty more where that came from. Subscribe to our channel, Travel Video Only, for more tantalizing adventures around the globe. From bustling food markets in Marrakesh to gourmet food trucks in Los Angeles, we've got your culinary wanderlust covered. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Stay connected and keep exploring with us, one flavor at a time.